Service USA. I came to Dr. Ashutosh for a hair transplant. I've noticed over the last few years that my hair had been thinning out, especially along the top. Especially you see it in a lot of photos. So from hearing from other friends and circles about hair transplant, I never thought about it until I came to India. My cousin told me about Dr. Ashutosh, that he had a consultation and that he was very positive about the fact that we should possibly look into it. We looked into it, and in fact to the point where we actually got the procedure done. We had the consultation on one day. In fact, the very next day, somehow they got their team organized for us, and they got both of us together and got the procedure done. Excellent service, excellent location, clean, hygienic, and the staff, Dr. Ashutosh, excellent staff, excellent people. Even the people within the theater itself have done a tremendous job. They're active with you all the time. And they interact with you all the way. They don't basically leave you alone. So you've always got a point of contact. Bhagwat Bhai would be contacting me at least once, if not twice a day, to ensure that everything is great, which is a little bit unusual, but which is great for me because it gives us a reassurance. So I was reassured that I was never going to be left alone, or that that it's not just a business, that in fact that they do care about their patients. So the area is very clean, it's very well done, very professional, and I highly recommend for anybody who needs to get hair transplant done, come and see Dr. Ashutosh because he does an amazing job. Thank you.